A Googol is a huge number, but it is finite. So in theory, you could count to a Googol if you had the time. But how long would you need? To count to 1,000 would take about 17 minutes. 1,000,000 seconds is about 12 days. To count to 1,000,000,000 would take 32 years. Counting to a Googol would take a staggering 10 to the power of 92 years. That's a 1 followed by 92 zeros. Suppose we count faster using a computer that can count to 1,000,000,000 in 1 second. We just made the time to complete the task 1,000,000,000 times shorter, but it only brings the power factor down by 9. So using the computer to count to a Googol will still take 10 to the power 83 years. Suppose we can count faster by using 1,000,000,000 computers, each able to count to 1,000,000,000 in 1 second. Now we're down to 10 to the power 74 years, 1,000,000,000 times better, but still an unimaginably long time. Let's put 1,000,000,000 computers on 1,000,000,000 worlds and let them all count together towards a Googol. All this combined computing power means the task will be complete in 10 to the 65 years. Suppose we have 1,000,000,000 galaxies, each with 1,000,000,000 worlds, each with 1,000,000,000 computers. Now the task will only take 10 to the 56 years. Finally, let's imagine 1,000,000,000 universes, each with 1,000,000,000 galaxies, each with 1,000,000,000 worlds with 1,000,000,000 computers, all counting together towards a Googol. With all this computing power, the task will take 10 to the 47 years. By comparison, the age of our universe is about 13 billion years, which can be rounded to 10 to the power of 10. So the task of counting to a Googol will take about 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 times longer than the age of our universe, even with all that computing power.